Thursday afternoon. It's one of those things. Planning went a little bit wrong. We didn't harvest quite what we wanted, but in fairness, today's forecast wasn't anything like this. It was for a few early morning showers, which we might or might not have got. And then it was going to be dry for the rest of the day, not sunny but dry. So the plan was to come down and I was going to trim the plot and in the process harvest a cabbage and a few onions for tonight's dinner. As it happens, the showers didn't happen. We had a bit of gentle rain and it's just rained all day and it's still raining now. It's not been anything torrential, anything ridiculous, just a thoroughly wet afternoon, but thoroughly wet day. So I've now got to get out, get cabbage in the wet, see what I can find. It really is a good job that we got those cabbages in when we did, because it's now pretty wet and I'm sure the ground will be too wet for planting. I'm just finding the driest route to a cabbage now. It's thoroughly wet through. I could get some onions while I'm here. I know which ones are which now. We've got 2 rows of Senshu yellow, which are these 2 rows pointed out by my cabbage cutting equipment, and these 2 rows are radar. So I'm going to have a couple of these radar ones, these 2 at the end, look really good onions. See if I can just ease them out the ground without having to go and get fork. That'll be fine. We've got another one. Hopefully these 2 will do us until we come down next time. Hopefully when the weather's a bit better, so I don't think they're a couple of bad onions. Put those by the shed. Go back the same way around. I think this is the driest route round to the cabbages. And I think it will be a case of which decent sized cabbage will be easiest to get, and I think that the answer to that is this one in here. I ought really to have a look to see how oh dear, look at these cauliflowers now. Oh, there's like 4 in there that are going to need harvesting at the same time. That's not really best planning, but that one in there is looking really good, so we might have to have a trip down tomorrow to see what we can do, providing it's fine. We'll see what cauliflowers around here look like, and I think they're a little bit behind the other side. I'm going to have to get just wet here. And now it's a question of getting in for this cabbage. Now the easiest way would have been to buy one, but there's no way we're going to match the shop bought cabbage with that one. Regency, the last one we had, was lovely and sweet. Hoping this one will be the same. Get everything put away now, and then on this thoroughly wet, miserable Tuesday afternoon on the allotment, I'm heading for home. I'll have a nice cup of coffee, I think, once I get there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.